Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you favorite recipes and ideas and things that you love to make at home. Anyway, nice this simple salad. Look at this. I got some mixed leaf left over and I have tomato left over, and all I'm going to do is this. Make a simple little salad. Ready one hand. You guys definitely can do this at home. No rocket science to make this one. And also we got spring onion. Got cucumber, and also some celery. A lot of people doesn't like celery. Celery is very strong, but it's very healthy and good for you also. Pepper, nice pepper, a little bit of chili. Now we're going to just mix it up like this. I'm just using a spoon. And honestly, you may look this kind of way, but it's a very healthy salad, guys. And that's from Chef Ricardo Salad Bar and Juice Bar channel. Look at that. That is amazing and fantastic. You see that? That's exactly what I'm talking about. Now, if I should shear it out like this, you will see something totally different. Well, I don't like that leaf. Nicely. Look at that. That is fantastic. Very simple and unique and nice. And that's exactly what I'm talking about. Thank you for watching Chef Ricardo Salad Bar. We got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from me and the team. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and click in the bell, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.